Motor Smart version. When installing, please note that the LiDAR needs to face the outward side. Appropriate adjustments can be made according to the position of the rod. A new switch power function has been added. After powering on, click the motor button. The indicator light will light up, and the motor will start. When the motor power is on, you can press and hold the button until the small indicator light goes up. Release the button, and the motor will turn off. We need to calibrate the lens data before using. Before starting the calibration of the lens data, turn off the controller and make sure the aperture has been adjusted to the maximum, and the lens stroke has been completed and calibrated. Try to choose a wide space for autofocus settings. Place the focus card on a flat surface with a flat focal plane, such as a wall. There should be no obstacles between the camera and the focus card. Short press once, then press and hold for 3 seconds to enter the calibration lens data mode. Notice, between the first time and the second time, there can't be a pause or gap. Must be quick. If you can adjust it manually, proceed to the next step. Otherwise, you need to reoperate. Adjust the focus ring to the nearest focus position on the lens. Adjust the distance between the camera and focus card until the focus card has clear focus in the picture. Short press the motor once. You will hear a beep when the LiDAR ranging first point is completed. Move back 0.6 meters from the first point position. Adjust the focus ring until the focus card has clear focus in the picture. Short press the motor button and wait until the beep sound again. Move back 1.5 meters from the second point position. Adjust the focus ring until the focus card has clear focus in the picture. Short press the motor button and wait until the beep sound again. The lens data calibration is completed. Check if autofocus is running. If so, check whether the nearest focus position until 4 meters is accurate. If the focus is inaccurate or the autofocus does not respond, check whether the precautions prompted at the beginning have been completed, and restart the calibration lens data operation. When the motor is in fast mode and the battery power is above 95%, the motor will enter the double power mode. The battery indicator light is purple. Motor power will grow up to 150%. High-speed torque up to 1.5 Nm. Scan rate increased to 480 Hz. Power supply through the Type-C socket allows the motor to maintain the double power state when the controller hasn't connected with the motor. In autofocus state, short press the motor button to switch to manual focus mode. The focus ring can be adjusted manually during that time. Press again to return to autofocus mode. When the controller is connected with the motor, short press the motor button 3 times to pause the autofocus function and switch to controller mode. At this time, you must adjust the focus ring through the controller. At any speed, turn the controller to adjust the lens to the nearest focus position. The motor switches to front focus lock mode. Autofocus will lock on the nearest identified object. When the motor is on medium or slow speed, turn the controller to adjust the focus ring to infinity of the lens. The motor switches to back focus lock mode. Autofocus will lock onto the farthest object within the LiDAR scanning range.